Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Funimate and loading the video you want to edit. This is where you set intent. Once done, import the QR image from your camera roll and place it roughly where viewers will focus. Make sure you know whether the QR links to a website, profile, or download. That affects size and timing. You're choosing placement that won't block faces or key visuals, so preview a paused frame before fine-tuning for the next step. Now add the QR image as an overlay layer and position it precisely. You want it scannable without dominating the frame. Use keyframes to animate scale or opacity. For example, a subtle zoom or a brief fade-in draws attention while preserving scannability. Make sure contrast is strong against the background. If needed, add a white or dark outline. Once animated, scrub the timeline and test scan with your phone camera to confirm the code reads reliably. Finish by exporting the clip at a quality that keeps the QR sharp, because compression can break the code. You should verify scanning on several phones and in different lighting to confirm reliability. If a scan fails, increase the QR size, boost contrast with a border or background plate, or hold a static frame showing the QR for 1 to 2 seconds. Finally, re-export and retest. This step ensures viewers can actually read.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.